In this problem we have 59 divided by 59 divided by 59 times 59. According to the order of operations, we have to work from left to right. So first we have to do this division, then this division, and finally this multiplication. If you do this multiplication before this division, it's wrong. And now let's start our solution. So first we do this division. We have 59 divided by 59, which equals 1. Now our problem became 1 divided by 59 times 59. So we have to work from left to right. 1 divided by 59, which can be written as 1 over 59 times 59. Now we can easily cancel this 59 and this 59, which equals 1. So our final answer for this problem is just 1.